Good afternoon, this is Tom Theo Automotive, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the battery on a 2006 to 2011 S-Class Mercedes-Benz key fob. Now this also does apply to several of the GL models. For example, this came off a 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL 450. First, we'll remove the key from the top. Now with this one being so old, the slider at the top has been destroyed. So what we're going to do is use a small piece of wire to insert there, slide, and take the key out. Now we'll need something to go through the loop at the top. For example, I'm using this piece of a keychain right here, and we're just gonna open that up and slide it through. By the way, you can literally use anything for the top. It doesn't need to be like a keychain, just something that fits through that loop. Then at this point, we'll take our key, slide it into a little notch at the very edge of the key fob. We're gonna use our thumb to press down to push that spring forward, and then we'll just use our top and just pull. Replacing the batteries is pretty straightforward. You just push and slide out the two CR 2025s. Move that aside. Grab our two new batteries, slide them in like so. We'll take our key fob housing, slide it back up at the top with the batteries facing out. We'll take out this here, and then slide our key back in. And that's how you change the batteries on a 2006 to 2011 Mercedes S-Class and GL key fob.